Hey y'all, here is a review of the NT Cutter snap blade knife. This takes their Cartridge A if you need to replace it, but essentially one of the things that's nice about snap blade knives is you can get a little extra reach if you need to, like cutting foam or something like that. Here I'm just going to cut through some kind of heavy office carpet tile. I'm trying not to cut my finger while I'm cutting behind the camera. So cuts fairly easily for being a thin blade. And the way this cartridge system works, basically you press back here, just says push, you pull back on the cartridge itself, and the whole thing comes out. Here's the switch, and the whole cartridge comes out together. Then you load it back in. Load the switch in there. You press it in until it clicks. Make sure that's popped back. And then you'll have to kind of push forward, push back, and it'll kind of re-lock in with the blade, and you're back in business. So super handy, but basically, instead of just having one snap blade in there, you can go through multiples in one cartridge and then reload the whole thing. So keeps it useful for a longer period of time. In terms of actual use, the grip on this, I like the kind of jimping that they have on the top and bottom. It's easy to feel with your thumb and forefinger, kind of know where you're at while you're using it. It's got a nice jut out here at the back, which as you're pulling, your pinky locks onto that and gives you a little added traction as you kind of do draw cuts. Also, they include a little blade snapper. So you basically line this up with the line, and then you just twist and snap that off. I'm not going to do that because I don't have any need to yet, but I just keep this in my workbench drawer because, again, if you're taking this somewhere with you, it's going to be a while before you go through multiple snaps and multiple blades unless you're really going crazy. So all in all, I think this thing is a great workbench utility knife or small precision utility knife for in your tool bag. I think it's got a lot of versatility. It's done very well. This handle is very nicely machined and finished, and just a really well thought out design from NT Cutter.